King got the hammer in the king got the hammer got the hammer in the ring king got the hammer I ain't got the chain dicks put it in my punches to pop.
Hey babes, in today's video I will be showing you how to use your lip gloss starter kit. This is how it should look when you receive your package. Absolutely beautiful. I love the way that I packaged these for you guys, and I hope you guys do too. It comes with one 8-ounce lip gloss base pouch, 4 lip gloss pigments, 10 10-milliliter squeeze tubes and 10 5-milliliter wand tubes, 2 mystery flavoring oils, and 1 pair of extra large pink gloves, also 2 60-milliliter syringes and 6 3-milliliter pipettes. So the only thing that it does not come with is plastic bowls, plastic spoons, and paper towels. You want to lay down some paper towels just to prevent you making a huge mess, because lip gloss making can be very, very messy. But yes, I have my 4 bowls with gloss base here, my 4 pigments, I have my syringes, and every single thing that I listed and I said before. So I put my pink gloves on, and now I am going to show you guys how I use the syringe. So let's just get right into it. So once you have your syringe open, you want to grab a pipette and cut the bottom of it. You want to kind of leave it a little bit pointy because these wand tubes are small. So I normally would tell you to cut it a little bit higher, but cut it a little bit further down and then flip it and cut the top part so it looks a little bit like this. And it'll act as an extended piece to your syringe, just like so. And then you will add a piece of tape to really secure the pipette to the syringe. So since our gloss is already pre-made and ready to go, all we have to add is our flavoring oils and our pigments. So we're going to add our raspberry and peach flavoring oil to the 4 bowls. I'm going to add raspberry to 2 of the bowls and peach to the other 2 bowls. Next, you're going to go ahead and mix those flavoring oils into your gloss bases. Now we're going to start by adding our red mica pigment powder to one of our gloss bowls so that we can get a nice red color. I really like this mica powder. It has like a gold shimmer tint to it. It's super pretty. And yeah, I add about half of the powder in there. You can add as much or as little as you would like. This is your lip gloss starter kit. You can do whatever you like to it. Add as much or little. It is completely DIY, so have fun while doing it. as you can see, this color is very beautiful. It is so bright and vivid. The color of this red is just so pretty. I really love it. And it's very pigmented. I will be doing some lip swatches at the end of the video of all of the glosses, so make sure you stay tuned for that. But this gloss is just so pretty. I love this shade of this red. Next, we're going to check out this nice blue shade of mica pigments and add it to another bowl. Notice how I start to mix the powder and the gloss together very slowly when I first start out, and then I gradually start to go faster. This will help prevent a mess. If you start off mixing it super fast, the powder will fly everywhere. So just have fun while you're doing this. Take it slow, play some music, and really just enjoy yourself while you're creating these glosses. This deep blue color reminds me of the deep blue sea. I feel like I'm in Nemo somewhere. I think this is a very beautiful ocean blue color. What do you guys think? Now we're moving on to glitter. We are going to use this nice silver holographic microfine glitter, and we are going to test out this gloss in this color. For our last color, we have this rose gold microfine glitter, which is also very beautiful. It's giving princess, fantasy, fairy type of color. This rose gold color is definitely eye-catching. It's like mesmerizing to look at. It's so pretty. Let me know which color you guys think is your favorite. So now we're going to take our 60 milliliter syringe and start to fill our tubes. We're going to start with our ocean blue gloss and start to fill a little bit of the tubes. Excuse the glitter that is on the tubes. That is from me messing with the glitter, trying to make the other colors, I will change my gloves so that glitter does not get on all of the tubes. So when you are filling these wand tubes, be very careful and move very slowly, because these wand tubes are tiny. So you need to press the gloss into the wand tube very slowly, or else it will explode from all that air trying to get in. So do it very slowly. It's no rush. Again, you are having fun while you're doing this. So I had to get small wand tubes so that they can fit inside of the packaging. So that's why these are 5 ml wand tubes. So yes, just move slowly, take your time, because I do not want you to make a huge mess. Just fill the tubes nice and slow, and you shouldn't have any issues. Also, normally when you're filling wand tubes, you have to leave a bit of space at the top of the wand tube to prevent overfilling the tube. But with these, it seems as though you can actually fill them to a little bit close to the rim, and it won't be an issue, because when you insert the wand stick, the gloss actually does not rise like I would previously assume. So with these wand tubes in particular, you can fill them up. Just not too much, but you can fill them up to the rim before it gets to the little screw on part. Next, we're going to go ahead and fill the red portion of our glosses. Again, this gloss is so pretty. I really love this shade of red. So after you fill all of your tubes, this is how the outcome is. You have 4 beautiful colors. Now we're going to go ahead and add the caps and things of that sort. Now this is where I noticed that once I insert the wand stick, the gloss does not rise in the wand tube like normal. So that's why I said you can fill these up more than you would a normal size wand tube, because it will not overfill and it will not rise. glosses are so pretty. I know you guys are going to love your starter kits. Let me know how much you love them. Go leave a review on my website. And thank you guys so much for shopping. Now, this is you guys' favorite part. I am going to show you lip swatches of all of these glosses that are included in the starter kit. So let's get into it. As you can see, this deep blue ocean color is very pigmented. You can see the color on my lips, which I love. So what do you guys think? Next up is our crimson red gloss, which is also very vibrant and beautiful. I loved it ever since I first laid my eyes on it, and it is very pigmented. You can also see this gloss on my lips as well. Have our beautiful rose gold fairy tale gloss. This lip gloss is so beautiful. I love the little hint of the rose gold glitter. It is also an eye catcher. Lastly, we have our holographic glitter gloss, which is perfect with a brown lip liner, but this is also very, very beautiful. If you haven't already, make sure you check out our lip gloss starter kits on our website at www.xoxo.com. The link is always in the description. Love you guys. See you in my next video.
King got the hammer in the king got the hammer ring. Got the hammer in the ring.